How to delete recipient in Remitly. Hello guys, in this video you will learn how you can delete recipients in Remitly, and here is how to go about it. Now, deletion of recipients on Remitly is very straightforward and a very simple process, so kindly watch to the end. The first step is to sign in into your Remitly account, just like I have done here. You could decide to sign in on the app or on the website. So once you're signed in, the next step to do is navigate to the recipient management section, which is located under the settings page. And where is the settings page located? By moving to the top right corner of the screen, where you can see the welcome option, and then under it, click on settings. After clicking on settings, you will be brought to the settings page. On this page, by the left side of the screen, you can see some tabs, which includes profile information, notifications, recipients, payment methods, etc. Just click on recipient. Now, after clicking on recipient, you'd see all of your recipients in here. For me, I have not added any recipient, that's why this page is empty. But for you, you would see all of your recipients, then go ahead, locate the recipients you want to remove from the list. So click on the recipient's name, or by the right side, you'll see the edit option. Click on it, and then once you've clicked on it, you would see two options which says delete or remove. All right, or still on that edit page. All right, so just click on any of it, they mean the same thing. So after clicking on delete, you'll be asked to confirm your action. That is, you'll be asked if you're really sure that you want to delete that particular recipient. Click OK, and then Remitly would remove the recipient from your account. So that is how it works. All right, thank you for watching and try this out.